Welcome to my 1 Minute to Wow video tutorial. This is Mary Fish with Stampin' Pretty. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I'm passionate about paper crafting. I share tips as well as card ideas and the latest Stampin' Up! Product offers on my blog daily, as well as offer a free newsletter, so please stop by. You can shop for the products that I'm sharing with you today and much more on my blog. This particular card uses products from the Stampin' Up! 2018 to 2019 annual catalog. The beautiful paper that lines both the envelope as well as the inside of this little framed piece is from Petal Promenade Designer Series paper, an absolutely glorious addition to our Designer Series paper. But one of the highlights is this rich texture created by our new subtle dynamic textured impressions embossing folder. So yes, you heard the word subtle, that's the name of the die, but it gives this gorgeous linen finish to our cardstock that almost looks like fabric. I think it's just a wow factor, and I did a little trick to give this an even more enhanced look. So here is the subtle textured impressions embossing folder. They call it dynamic because it is going to give even richer 3D than a typical embossing folder. I'm going to use some old olive cardstock and I'm going to add it inside. Careful to line it up so that I have everything going, I'm going to call that in the portrait position, meaning it's going this way. And then for my Big Shot, I have the Big Shot platform. And I have a plate. I label them embossing only so they don't warp and get cut up as cutting plates often do with a lot of use. And then here's my Big Shot. I do put the mouth at the back as well as the front. I know some of you have preferences and I say go with what works best for you. So I'm running it forward and then I'm stopping and I'm running it backwards so that I can get the benefit of embossing both directions. Now it's still subtle, and if you want to increase even that next level of embossing, you can give it a light mist of water, which will help it kind of be a little bit more malleable into the little crevices. But you can see, I hope, on both sides this very subtle and pretty embossing. But to take it up a notch, since everything is going this direction, for my card, I actually ran this also in the landscape, meaning going this way position, so that I would get this nice crisscross effect that looks even more like linen to me. So I'm going to run that back through again. And I'm going to add my plate on top. Grab my Big Shot. I'm going to run it through, forward, and now I'm going to run it through backwards. So what happens is you still have this yummy subtle texture, but because it goes both directions, you've got it going this direction as well as this direction. I feel it gives you that even more of a fabric finish that I think is just rich, subtle, exactly as the name would suggest, but still pretty amazing. One other really cool thing I want to just mention with this Petal Promenade suite are the dies, the beautiful layer dies, which have a stamp set called Beautiful Promenade that coordinate with many of these images. One of the highlights for me was getting this die so that I could cut and line using my Big Shot and that die, this beautiful paper to line the envelope as well. One of my absolute favorite little things. This piece, just so you know, creates a tag at the top of, I think it's just about 2 inches wide. You would cut your cardstock. Then you would put this at the top, and then you would create that little tag image at the top, or you could do it top and bottom, and then you would have openings for ribbon. So it's a really neat little die, and I'm definitely going to show you more possibilities with that particular die set. So thank you for joining me for my 1 Minute to Wow video tutorial on learning how to use the subtle dynamic textured embossing folder to create a great linen look by going in both the portrait as well as the landscape direction. Thank you and bye-bye.